this is a video on this item, the sandwich decruster and sealer. I'm looking forward to using this, especially with my daughter. My son not so much, but my daughter doesn't like the crust. I think she's gonna get a kick out of the way it seals the sandwich. Oh, this will be at the end. So I don't understand how you do this. Dimensions guide overfilling. Spread filling using the back of the sealer as a dimensions. Oh, so they don't want you to put more of the item. So you're gonna have to try to centralize it. If you don't do this, you have to centralize the amount of jelly or peanut butter, so that way it doesn't stick to the edges of the cutter. Okay. Pretty cool. So this is it right here. So let's open it up and see how it works. I think it was under $10, I believe. I'm not sure. You have to look at the link below. I don't remember the price. I don't know why they're showing a pair of jeans. I guess, I don't know. You're supposed to be able to put the sandwich in your jeans. And it's so sealed that it won't dirty your pants. I have no idea. So in the back, I think it's like that. So take this and you fill up the sandwich with what you want. I believe that's what it looks like in there. Correct me if I'm wrong. And then you flip it over and you put the other piece of bread on top, and then you do the seal. So this, I believe, cuts, the blue cuts. No, I think the white cuts. So let's see. Assemble the sealer. Raise the sealer, the blue one. Oh, so this is, wait a minute. Kind of tight. Okay, all right. So you raise this pretty tight. As a hold. Okay. Raise the sealer, the blue one. Apply firm pressure on the decruster white to remove crust. So when you have the sandwich, you push down with the white at the end. You push it down. Okay. That way you get rid of the crust. So you can just use the white to get rid of the crust if you don't care about sealing it. And then you apply a firm pressure to sealer, the blue one, to seal the sandwich. Then you push this down, and that seals the sandwich. Let's see if it works. Try it out. This is the correct way in using the item, the way it shows it in the instructions in the back, but I probably will just be making my sandwich and then cutting it up and having the mesh go to the ends. But the way it tells you to use it in the instructions is to sort of have this kind of upside down, like this. This is the setup. And you're supposed to fill up only the amount in that opening. So once you fill up the middle with whatever item you want, you turn it around. Put the sandwich like this. This is a large piece of bread.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Then you actually put the cutter in. You cut the crust.
The birds are going to get a lot of leftover food.
Then once you get rid of the crust, you now push down on the blue device, which is called the sealer.
Oh, I get it.
The sealer. So you push it all the way down. And once you get it all the way down, you can lift up the white area. And now, you've made a perfectly sealed sandwich. Pretty cool, huh?
Almost perfect. Hey, that's beautiful.
Very nice sealed
Nice jelly
sandwich. And according to the pictures, you could put it in your pocket. I wouldn't put it in there. It's supposed to be that sealed. Anyway, that's the sandwich decruster and sealer. What do you think? You like it?
It's cute as a novelty. I'm not sure. Maybe every once in a blue moon to get the kids
I
together.
probably will only be using the white.
Yeah.
Not
too.
the sealer.
For sure.
So I can just get the crust out of the way and that's it. That's probably what I'm going to be using this for. But I like it. I want to keep it.
Yeah.
My daughter has a lot of, she eats a lot of peanut butter and jelly. It'd just be easier to cut the crust off this way.
I'm not sure I understand the whole pocket concept. If she puts a sandwich in the pocket for any reason, but okay.
Okay.
Talk about takeout.
Okay, have a good, thank you for watching the video. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye.